everyone, this is Ninja Boy here in another video in Minecraft, yay, Minecraft. So it's morning and I'll show you my survival world today, yeah. So first, this is my house, my chest with some junk in it, so a good furnace, rabbit, let's cook real quick, rabbit, so this is bridge over this canyon. Okay, yeah, okay. So yeah, I build it real quick. Okay, now this is my farm. So okay, yeah, that's my farm. So right now I'll show you my. Okay, I'm not gonna show it, but this is the gold mine. It goes really deep. You can't see it. I got from the 42 iron. So now, last thing I wanna show you is XP farm. Yeah, not the worst one, but it's pretty good for materials actually. So the zombies come down here with the help of water. Then they die and they have the rocket flash everywhere. Yeah, okay. Okay, now come on, go. Come on. Yeah, there's some hills. Okay, some more rotten flesh. Water pressure. Some more rotten flesh. I will not eat that. Don't even think about it. Eating a rotten flesh. Okay, so this is all of my survival world. This is only, I guess, day number 18 in Minecraft. I guess this world I have been played only like 3 days. Not that big. And in the end of the video, I wanna say thank you for watching this. Please leave a like or subscribe, whatever. And see ya.